Hello everyone, my name is Nandesh Manish Bhai Zaveri. I secured an overall band score of 7.5 in my IELTS exam. I secured 8.5 in my listening section, 8 in my reading sections, and 7 each in my speaking and writing section. It was a great experience that I had with People's Overseas. People's Overseas guided me for each and everything that was possible in my IELTS exam. They prepared me to a level which was way extraordinary than the actual IELTS test. They prepared me for greater difficulty level than the actual IELTS test, so that in case if the exam goes difficult, I can crack it easily with a good score. As you can see from the description down there, like I scored a really good score. Apart from it, people's overseas dealing with every other exam such as TOEFL, PTE, and you can rely on people's overseas for that. And People's Overseas also guided me for my visa consultancy, and it was also a smooth process of mine in the visa consultancy, and I would also suggest all of you guys to be a part of it. And you can rely upon each and everything that you can imagine for going abroad on People's Overseas. People's Overseas would guide you like a shepherd guides a sheep. It would and apart from that, People's Overseas also guided me in my mental crackdowns, as I am a teenager and I am a student. So I go through many phases in my life. So and any human being who would go through many phases in their life, especially at this age level, and People's Overseas also guided me in that too. And I would recommend for visa consultancies, TOEFL, PT, IELTS, etc. That's it. Thank you.